Hi guys, I'm Pooja and today we'll be doing a huge home decor haul from all the things from Westside. So I love anything home decor. I'm always on lookout for some kind of furniture or rug or curtains or rugs or anything like that. So when I saw this ad of Westside home section on my Facebook, I went to their page and I was completely hooked. I might have spent a lot of time on their website and I got a lot of stuff. So I am going to show you what all I got and let's get started. Before I show you what I got, I just want to let you know that I had no clue on what to expect because I had never seen anything from Westside home section. And leave aside home, I think I haven't entered a Westside in last 5-6 years, so this was all a complete surprise to me. And you will see when I talk about these products that I was like when I saw all this. So let's get started. First, and one of the most favorite things of mine from this particular haul is this Eucalyptus Leaf, and I absolutely love it. Quality is great and I have already used it in my videos. I use this in backdrop or maybe in styling products. I am absolutely in love. It's great quality. The only problem is that these leaves, they are kind of, one or two of them, they keep falling, so I just put it on. Otherwise not anything big, but I love it. This is so beautiful. If you are somebody who loves this minimalist kind of decor, then you can just put it in a vase and it's going to look fabulous. I think this was 299 rupees. I put a pop-up of the price here, and yeah, so this is the first product. I also have this, which is another fake plant. This was for 299 as well and absolutely love it. This is the stem. So I got it thinking that I'll put it in a huge vase, floor vase, and it's going to look fabulous. So I have two of these and I cannot wait to style them. Okay, moving on to something that I have already started using, which is this vase, gamla, vase, planter, whatever you want to call it. So I absolutely love this thing. I have been using this from day one. I love this is not symmetric. I love the texture on it. This kind of, what's it called, beaten, not beaten, but this, I love this thing. And it has a foam bottom, so if you keep it on your table, it's not going to spoil it. Price was also great. It is $8.99 and I think it's completely worth the money. Moving to the next bag, so I love buying bathroom rugs for some reason, and I found this really nice one. It is kind of boho and minimalist both at the same time, which I absolutely love. So this is a plain rug with tassels on the corner and it is really a nice quality. It's pretty heavy, which is great. Also it's cotton, so it's going to be very absorbent, which is a fab. I like to buy things which look good but are functional as well, so I think this is a great mix of both. Now the cost of this rug was 699, which is a little expensive for a single rug. I generally buy a set, which is a rug and then there's another U-shaped rug which you keep around the toilet bowl. So it did not include that, but I still want to give this a try and I'm pretty happy with how it looks. Let's see how it works. Next I have another bathroom rug, which is this. So I went for a pattern this time, which is very rare for me. I like to buy like plain things generally, but I really liked it. It's not too much and I love the colors. They're not the bright popping colors. I like that they're a little subtle. And this one was also 699 rupees. Very nice and pretty. While I was in the bathroom section, I also caught hold of some towels, and here are two face towels, white face towels. They come as a set and I think each set was 179, which is a great value. They are quite nice and soft, and so I couldn't get any of the bigger towels in white. Everything was sold out, so I got this. And then I also got these pink ones. So in pink I have got these two little face towels and I also got a set of bigger towels. So here are two face towels, again 179 for a set. So I also got this size of the towel, which is a great hand towel. I love that the colors are not like really popping colors. They're nice pastel colors which you can use, really soothing to the eye. So I got 2 of these. Next I went to kitchen section, and from there I got this. It's a spoon stand, not stand. It is a spoon rest, and you keep it on your stove, and whenever you're cooking something or वो आप करछी वगैरह use करते, so you can keep it on this instead of keeping it in a katori or maybe on the surface, because it kind of makes everything dirty. So this is the one that I selected. Though I absolutely love the pattern on this one, but I have to mention that when it comes to a spoon stand or spoon rest, there were very few options. I think there was a plain white one as well, but I went for the pattern because I have decided to go out of my comfort zone a bit. So yeah, that is that. Next, I also got myself these 2 little plates, which I never thought would be this little. So each plate costs 199 rupees, which is damn expensive for this size of a plate. I really thought it would be a saucer size plate, but it's this small. Are they cute? Absolutely. I love them. I love the gold rim detail here. I love that it has this watercolor kind of texture on. It is really nice. If you like really soothing colors, whites and creams, then you are going to love this. But is it expensive or is it expensive? So I got these 2, and now that I have it, I have decided to use them on the on each side of the bed, so on the bedside table, so that we can put our rings and little trinkets in it. So that is what I think I'm going to be using them for, but damn, very expensive. Alright, moving on to my most favorite thing of this haul, which is this gorgeous vase. And this was the first thing that I added to my cart while I was shopping. It is for 599 only, and it is such good quality. It is pretty heavy. I absolutely love the design. I love the color. I think everything about this particular vase is just fabulous. There's another one on Westside which is kind of I think it is the same material, it's a different design. That is also amazing. I have my eyes set on it already. I'm just trying not to buy anything right now. So this by far is my favorite product of the haul, and I cannot wait to style this in my home. Lastly, I also got this gorgeous bottle from Westside Home. It is such a beautiful piece. It is very unique. It is a glass bottle with a wooden lid, and the only disappointing thing is that this lid, it just kind of sits on top and does not closes. But it's okay, I got it for my bar table, so I'm just going to put some water in it when people are around so that they can use it for their drinks. If you are looking for a nice bottle for aesthetic that you can use sometimes, then it's a great piece, but it has no kind of closure. So that is a little disappointing. I love this mesh kind of detail with the dori or brassi, whatever you want to call it. It's really pretty. I love that it's huge. My products, I also found this towel, and I've completely forgotten if I ordered it or not, but I have this one also, I think again for 199 rupees, and this is a hand towel. Alright guys, that is all for this video. I absolutely loved shopping at Westside, and I cannot wait to check out the new collection whenever it arrives. Also, I want to let you know that I got all these products a week or 2 before lockdown. So if you're shopping right now, maybe there will be some kind of delay in your delivery, which we cannot blame, keeping in mind the current situation. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!